Hey everyone, welcome back to Food Prepping. Today we're going to be preparing this Walmart Great Value Pumpkin Spice Quick Bread and Muffin Mix. We are making muffins today with this. So if you have lost your box or you just like a visual guide, we are here to help. We've got everything that you need assembled here. You are of course going to need your mix. Then you're going to need your pan, either an 8-inch loaf pan or a muffin pan, a bowl to mix everything up in, 2 eggs, 2/3 of a cup of water, half a cup of oil, a spoon or utensil to mix everything up with. First thing that you need to do is preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, we're going to go ahead and mix up all of our stuff together. You're going to combine in your bowl your 2 eggs, your water and oil, plus your pumpkin spice quick bread mix, and stir everything up until there are no more clumps. Make sure you're scraping down the bottom and sides of your bowl as well. If you'd like to support this channel, the easiest way to do that is using our Amazon links the next time you shop there. Now we're going to go ahead and grease our pan and scoop our batter into our pan until each cup is about 2/3 full and evenly filled. So now we're just going to pop this into the oven for 18 to 22 minutes. We are looking for a toothpick inserted into one of the center muffins to come out mostly clean. So I will come back and let you know exactly how long that takes in my oven. If you like what we're doing here, please consider sending a super thanks. It helps us continue to provide more amazing content. All right guys, it has been exactly 18 minutes and these definitely look like they are done. The tops have springiness to them. That's also something that you're looking for if you don't happen to have any toothpicks or a cake tester, but I do. So we're gonna go ahead and pop this into one of the center muffins. And it came out clean, which is exactly what we are looking for. So here is our completed Walmart Great Value Pumpkin Spice Quick Bread and Muffins. If you guys would like to know how these taste, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, where we're gonna give you a full review and let you know if we would purchase them again or not. But in the meantime, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and we'll catch you guys next time. Bye. All right guys, that's the video. If you like what we're doing here, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.